So I washed my hair, and I have fine, thin hair, so I have to use product to give it some zhuzh and get some volume. This is actually gone. I used the last of it today. It's the Paul Mitchell Extra Body Boost Root Lifter. I really love this stuff. It makes such a huge difference. I typically just buy the small version, and then if I love it, I'll purchase the large product. So this is definitely one that I'm going to repurchase, and I'll get the bigger size. This stuff gives me so much lift and volume. When I don't use it, my hair is so flat and limp, and I just don't love it. I really need some oomph. And I like the little nozzle here. So when my hair is wet, I'll go and I'll spray it here on the roots, on the sides here, and then I'll part it in the middle, and I'll spray it down the middle, and then I'll get the back of my roots, and then I'll just massage it all in, and then I always go in with the second product. Again, because my hair is fine and thin, I only use 2 products. If I go in with more than that, my hair just can't take it. It gets weighed down. So I'll use something at the root, and then I'll use something at the end. And I do this regardless if I'm wearing hair extensions or not. So the second product I go in with is the Bedhead Small Talk. And this is a thickifier energizer styler. Now this stuff, the first time I used it, I did not like it, but it's because I went in with way too much product. So I literally use, I don't want to waste it, but I use a pea size amount, and you really don't need more than that. You just need very little of that stuff. Pea size amount, rub it all through your hands, and then run it through your ends. And again, it's gonna thicken that strand up and make your thin hair appear and feel thicker. So as you guys know, I recently changed my hair. I cut some length off and I got some highlights. So I had to get new extensions to match my current color. I have used so many extensions over the years, and my absolute favorite are the Irresistible Me. I will always use these. If you are buying hair extensions and they're cheap, it's because it's not a lot of hair, the quality is not good, and they're gonna be really stringy and just not good. Now these extensions, they are more affordable for what you get, because a lot of these hair extensions, they're just so much money. You really get a great set of hair extensions for a really good price. I honestly would pay more for these. Don't tell them I said that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I put them in and how I style them. So I'm gonna start by brushing my hair. So after I put those 2 products in, I just blow dry my hair. So that's where we are now. So I'm gonna put the extensions in, and then I'm going to style my hair with the extensions in. Sometimes I'll straighten my hair and then straighten the extensions and then put them in, but I'm not straightening them today. I'm gonna section off my hair just at my ears. Taking the 3 clip. I always like to start in the middle. And then take the hair down at my temples, a little lower than my temples, and section that off. So to save space on my head, I like to take the 3 clip and clip it onto the other 3 clip, like so. That way I'm just clipping in this one. Next, I'm gonna do my sides. I'm gonna go just below my temple, above my ear. Take the 1 clip And then I'm going to go right here. And you don't want to go too close to your hairline. So I'm going to go about half an inch back. I'm going to take the 2-clip. Clip. And I still have a 4-clip and a 2-clip left, but I don't need all of the hair, so. All right, so now I'm just gonna gently, I'm gonna take my curling iron, turn it on. I believe this is a 2-inch. I'm gonna section off just below where the 2 clips are and around. And then, so this hair that I'm sectioning off is just the 2 clips and my hair. All the other hair is down here. So I'm gonna go split that in the middle. And so I have my hair and the extension. I'm going to curl this under. And then I'm going to take another section. I don't want to grab sections that are too small or too big. And then again, I'm going to curl my hair with the extension, curling under. I'm doing this using my viewfinder, so I can't really see what's happening. And if your hair falls out, just grab it and curl it. I didn't go super long with these extensions. I find when you go a little longer than your natural length, it just looks natural. All right, and then I'm gonna take down this top section. And I'm gonna section off just like where my arch is all the way back. I'm gonna brush that. I'm gonna take a section. And again, run it through and curl under. And do the same here. Section the same way. And then I'm going to take this section down. I'm going to take this back piece and I'm going to curl this towards my face. That way when it falls back, it's curled under. And then again. Okay. And then again. My bangs are gonna fall out, but I'll just do those separate. I'll curl my bangs. For my bangs, I'm going to curl them back away from my face. And this is the finished result. So happy with this color, and I really like this style. It kind of looks like I have layers because my natural hair hits just above the length of the hair. This gives me just a little bit of length and way more hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave the link to these extensions down below in the description box. And I do have a code so you guys could save some money. I'll leave that along with the link, or I believe you just use my link and it'll take some money off so you guys can save. And yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you very soon. Peace.